Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Clyde Scott here, Quartermax. We'll talk about final assembly. So, we've been touching on different places in the shop, like uh, chassis tables, body tables, fixturing for this parachute mount, fixturing for the pedals, and now we talk about final assembly. I had somebody ask me, "Well, what do you do in final assembly?" So, we do it a little differently. We use the two-post lift a lot of times for final assembly because it's up and down, up and down, up and down. You got a pro jacks, the jacks in the way when you're trying to put a rear end housing in or put tubs in. So this is the final assembly area. You look, chassis painted, parachute mount's going to go here. This is where the carbon fiber starts getting put in. The body's solid mounted. The tubs are going to go in. We got the driver's side, just started putting it in. It'll get glued to the body with a silicone, and then it'll get riveted to the chassis. And then these are just closures, as you can see right here. What that's for is just keep smoke from getting in the cab of the car. Fire bottles are going to go in it next. Rear end housing, the anti-roll bearings, puke tanks, all the hoses and lines. So this car would be ready to go make a pass other than paint. This car is getting a Pro Line, an AJ49 with twin turbo. It's a Hemi. So it's going to have it's an evac hose. So it's the evacuation air outside of the engine. It's going to come in and come right through here. And we got a tank that mounts, one on each side. So it has two tanks on this car. So this is just kind of touching on final assembly. This is how it works right here. Thank y'all. See you next time.